Here we go, folks. Round 2. Neo versus Blue. And so far, Neo's up. And they launch. And keep away begins. Bring here, Blue. Bring here. Blue, you're losing. He's like, haha, who's laughing now? Just grr at him. Watch out, you're about to hit that log.
Grr. Mine. Where's Squirrel?
Where's Squirrel?
This is Squirrel.
Excuse me. Do you realize I'm videotaping this? He's like, haha, you can't get me. Na 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 boo boo. Here she comes, Blue. What you gonna do? He's like, haha, still lose. It's still mine, you dumb broad. He's like, ah, now I'm king of the mountain.
I feel so.
For a second there, you're actually my height. Rejected.
Why are you doing it in the yellow snow?
He's making yellow snow. You're not going to pee out of him.
He's not peeing.
He was. Now the race is on in. Here comes Pride in the backstretch. I think he's done.